Hey everyone, welcome back. One of my biggest passions is finding those little productivity hacks, those tricks that just make life easier.
Uh-huh.
And especially when it comes to spreadsheets. I mean, who doesn't love a good spreadsheet, right?
Right.
But seriously, sometimes you can get lost in a sea of cells and formulas.
Oh, yeah.
So today we're diving deep into a simple
Okay.
but insanely powerful Excel shortcut that honestly changed the way I work with spreadsheets. I'm
Wow.
talking about the magic of Control-Shift-O.
Control Shift O.
It's like a secret weapon for anyone who uses notes in Excel, which, let's face it, is pretty much everyone who uses Excel.
It's funny you should say that because I think a lot of people underestimate the power of notes in
Oh,
spreadsheets.
totally.
There are like these hidden gems, little pockets of context and information that can make your data so much more meaningful.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They're great for adding context reminders, even brainstorming ideas right within your spreadsheet. But have you ever had that moment where you're staring at a giant spreadsheet packed with notes and you just need to get rid of them all quickly?
Oh, yeah, I've been there.
Like before a presentation, or when you're sharing the data with someone else.
Right.
You're thinking, oh no, I'm going to have to go through each cell one by one and delete every single note.
It can be a real pain.
That's where Control-Shift-O comes in. It's like a magic wand that instantly selects every single cell with a note in your entire sheet.
Whoa, so no more clicking through hundreds of cells?
Exactly. It's a huge time saver, and it's so easy to remember.
So you just hit Control Shift O and boom, all the cells with notes are selected.
Yep, just like that. I actually used this the other day when I was analyzing some customer feedback from a survey. I had tons of notes scattered throughout the spreadsheet, and I needed to summarize the key points.
Oh, I see.
So I just hit Control-Shift-O, copied all the notes, and pasted them into a separate document. It took me like 5 minutes, what would have taken hours manually.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Right. And that's just scratching the surface of what you can do with this shortcut.
Really, there's more.
Oh, yeah. It's not just about deleting notes. You can use it to quickly review all your notes to make sure they're consistent,
Oh, that's smart.
or to spot any potential errors.
I hadn't thought about that.
You can even use it for some really advanced stuff, like filtering and sorting your data based on the presence or absence of notes.
Wow, that's pretty powerful stuff.
It is, but like with any powerful tool, you got to use it responsibly, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Sometimes those notes might contain crucial information that you don't want to just delete.
Right, they might be hidden data points that are essential to understanding the spreadsheet.
So always double check before you hit that delete key.
Good advice.
But overall, Control-Shift-O is like a game changer for managing notes in Excel. It's simple, it's efficient, and it can save you so much time and frustration.
I love it when a simple shortcut can make such a big difference.
Me too. It really highlights how sometimes the most overlooked features can be the most powerful.
Exactly. It's all about understanding those hidden layers of information within your spreadsheets and how to leverage them to your advantage.
And Control-Shift-O gives you that control over your notes and lets you work smarter, not harder.
So next time you're wrestling with a spreadsheet, remember the power of Control Shift O. It might just be the secret weapon you need to conquer that data.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Thanks for diving deep with me today.
My pleasure.
And to all our listeners out there, go forth and conquer your spreadsheets with confidence.
Happy spreadsheeting.